All right, aloha and welcome to this November 17th edition of DevBits. We didn't actually get to do one of these last week, so we did want to take a moment and wish all our veterans a happy Veterans Day, since we didn't have an opportunity to do that last week, and looking forward a happy Thanksgiving, and you know, we all have our veterans to be thankful for, and so really wanted to say thank you first and foremost, but also have some good news in terms of career opportunities for our veteran workforce. So big news coming out of IBM this week. We've talked over and over again about the need for cybersecurity jobs in the near future. Again, 1.8 million estimated unfilled jobs by 2022 in the field of cybersecurity. So what's new about it is IBM has taken a new approach, which we love and is near and dear to our hearts and our beliefs, of looking at veterans to fill those unfilled positions in what they're calling a new collar approach. So it's taking people, veterans specifically, but in general people that have experience, and kind of putting experience over formal knowledge of systems and the ability to do the job. So IBM is looking to hire 2,000 vets over the next 4 years in careers in cybersecurity and leveraging all of that experience that they have. So that's exciting news. We'll continue. We're trying to still kind of get through the GI Bill, but as these opportunities line up for our vets, we will continue to pass them along. And again, we just want to say thank you for all of your service and dedication. Moving on in JavaScript news. In the links below, we shared a really good Medium article called "The Cost of JavaScript." I think a lot of times in today's kind of landscape, I think we a lot of times get caught up in all the tools and all the things that we can do from a developer point of view to make our lives better, but I think sometimes the users kind of get forgot about along the way, and our applications become slower and bloated. And so is a really good breakdown in terms of how you can look at your application and really kind of refocus on making a good user experience. So over 50% of the top 500,000 sites on the internet said that there was on mobile, it was 14 seconds till you can interact with an application. That's a long time to wait for a website to load, and really by our standards as web developers, it's really not up to par. So we need to kind of refocus, and the article is a very good checklist for things that you should be considering as you're building out your application for mobile. Things like code splitting, minifying and compressing your bundles, code coverage, caching. The list goes on, and shows you some ways to use the tools, not just things that you should be doing, but how to ensure that you are doing them well. So that's, knowing is half the battle, as they say, right? In JavaScript, if you want to learn more about how to build applications in the first place so that you can have the problem of needing to optimize them, we do have both our part-time and full-time immersive tracks starting in December 9th for our online prep to leading into our January full-time immersive kickoff. So if you are interested, there's only a couple weeks left to apply, so apply today. Last but not least, in data science, we just got our new big data analyst track off the ground last week. And so as we're rolling out on that, we'll continue to provide resources. So we're sharing a top 20 data science blogs and sites list. If you are looking to get into the field, check it out. Our friends at Data Camp, obviously, with all their great content, made the list. And so check it out. It's never too early to start. And that's all we have for today. So, but I did want to take a second and, really wish all of you a happy Thanksgiving. We get caught up in so many things in our lives sometimes. It is a good time of year to just kind of take a step back and be thankful for all that we have, and the fact that we do have opportunity to chase, and we've all, had opportunity to get us where we are in life. So have a happy Thanksgiving, spend some good quality time with your families, and we'll talk to you soon. Aloha.